lang nila mga ini bukan malakat. We are exploring. Kaya na ko, kangog yan yung mag-interview yan.
I was lost in a city dream, and I was at home again beside the stream. Then you walked past me, and you saw me smile. I will never forget the first time when I saw you. I thought I lost my mind. You and faded away, blown away and left behind.
Kaya nakita niyo kayo. Oo.
I know as the daylight grows how I am supposed to feel, to make the same mistakes, to be part of something real.
Oh. Kaya kita mga probinsya to dyan. Sarap sa probinsya. Shoutout kay Sirat.
Away from the city.
Hi guys.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog. Vlogs.
Vlogs. Welcome to our vlogs.
Jegs. Very Jegs.
Jerry Jegs, nandito kami ngayon sa Siasi, lugar ng mga pogi.
Gari kami at Siasi.
Naglawag agal-agal.
Jegs. Naglalawag kami buhaya.
Simple lang buhay dito.
Simple lang ang buhay.
Province life. Malayo sa
The city.
malayo
Ano lang city oh?
Ano lang city oh? Na. Ano city on prim? Bungaw.
Bungaw.
Bungaw. Tinano yan yung
Yan sa
bungaw yan.
Katanon. Ang karupangan. Dito tayo maliligo. Isa sa inyo. Pakain na ko yan. Pakain na yan.
As the daylight grows how I am supposed to feel, to make the same mistakes, to be part of something real.
Good spot kita niyo. Titanic kita niyo biyaw. Nyari Titanic.
Baso? Masan baso?
Nyari kita niyo Titanic. Titanic ini, Titanic.
Tara guys! Let's go!
Jegs, idol ko sa inyo. Lagi Jegs ini.
Kari na kamo
Titanic na kayo magtoy. This is abandoned ship. Di kita niyo biyaw magpahigo-pahigo. Nakitong niya
I
maalong to
burned out like a
goods lang.
wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran.
Pumunta ka lang talaga dito mag-vlog.
Punta lang ako dito tol para mag-vlog. Balita ko mag- Hello,
klaro
ang
ko,
direction
no?
nini.
Segunda. Sung na. Let's go. Tuy.
Nakatikip lang.
Katukaw ah.
Sama-sama tawi-tawi ba yan?
Katukaw. Talon siya.
Talon siya.
like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate. Don't turn off the light. I'm coming home.
The best view.
Ay na yung video natin eh.
Ha? Takat na. Oo. Sarapin yung ulan-ulan di.
First challenger. Galing pang Timog Silangan. From Cebu to Tawi-Tawi. Anong pangalan mo? Sarap. Jackie ang pangalan ng kanyang boxer shorts. Andito na si Jackie. Jackie! Nagwa-warm up pa si Jackie. Bilisan mo, Jackie! Jackie tatalon. Andito na para sa SEA Games 2028. Jackie! Oh my God! What a nice shot by Jackie! Woo! Pride of Patigol Sulu. SEA Games 2025. Former gold medal champion. Olympics 2018. Sarap. Men's division weighing 56 kilogram. Wearing blue shorts and black Crocs. Sabdullah! Oh my God! Antayin mo ko dyan, pre. Bye, guys.
Here I might move my head to your face. It's been a
fact that it gets fucking better, and I just want you to keep fucking being strong, and I just want you to keep fucking being amazing, keep being genuine to yourself.
Relax muna tayo ngayon. Nagpaya eh, nagpaya.
Please put a lot of love and a lot of heart into
bring it on. Ever since I won, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. We're so off the ground to be
Jegs!
people hate just when you look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. We're so off the ground to vacation.
Kamusap, kamusap.
They never had to tell you. I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over.